Hi there! This week's marketing tip is all about consistency. To grow your online presence, it's important to be active on 2 to 3 channels that matter to your audience. Posting regularly, aim for 1 to 2 posts per week on each channel, helps your followers know when to expect your content. It builds trust and keeps you visible in their feeds. Now you may be thinking, I'm already doing that. But are you also sticking to fixed days and times? That's the secret. When you post at the same time every week, say Tuesday and Thursday at 10 a.m., your followers will start to expect your content and look forward to it. And that's half the battle. You've already got their attention. Now, you just need to deliver. So, what should you post? Well, that's up to you. But make sure it's valuable, engaging, and relevant to your audience. Share industry news, tips and tricks, behind the scenes, sneak peeks, or even your team's weekly highlights. Just make sure it's consistent with your brand and target audience. Here's a pro tip. Use scheduling tools to plan and automate your posts in advance. This will save you time and ensure you're always posting fresh content. Now, we all know that growing an online presence takes time and effort. There are no shortcuts or quick fixes, but if you stay consistent, you will see results. So don't get discouraged. Keep posting. Your audience will appreciate it and reward you with engagement, trust, and loyalty. And remember, it's better to be consistent than intense. 1 post a day is better than 10 posts in a row. Keep your posting schedule regular and predictable, so your audience knows what to expect from you. Then sit back and watch your engagement grow. So there you have it. A simple yet powerful marketing tip to help you on your journey to success. Remember, consistency is key. Stay tuned for next week's video and let us know how it works for you. And hey, if you want more tips on growing your brand online, follow us for weekly marketing insights. Until then, keep hustling and make it happen. Thanks, and have a great day.